In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a copy of a table to another base in Airtable. We're going to do this by exporting your table as a CSV file from one base and then importing that file into another base. This process doesn't move the original table. It creates a copy, so your source data stays safe. Start by going to your Airtable dashboard in your browser. This is the main screen that shows all of your workspaces and bases. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. Next, click on the base that currently contains the table you want to copy. This opens the base and shows you all the tables along the bottom, as well as any views at the top left of the screen. Once the base is open, make sure you're in a grid view for the table you want to move. Grid view is the traditional spreadsheet style view, and it's the one that supports downloading your data as a CSV. If you're in another view type, simply switch to grid view first. With grid view selected, look for the option to download a CSV. Click on download CSV and Airtable will export the data from that view as a CSV file and save it to your device. Take note of where your browser saves downloads, because you'll need this file in a moment. Now, go back to your Airtable dashboard by clicking the Airtable icon in the top left corner. This returns you to the list of your bases. From the dashboard, click on the base where you want to move, or more accurately, copy this table to. Once that base opens, look for the option to add or import. This is usually near your existing tables. Click on add or import, then choose the CSV file option. This tells Airtable that you'll be bringing in data from a CSV file rather than creating a blank table. Next, click on browse files. This opens your file picker so you can navigate to the CSV you just downloaded. Find that file on your device, select it, and then confirm by clicking on Upload One File. Airtable will then ask where you want to import the data into. Open the dropdown labeled Where do you want to import into, and choose the table you want to import into, or the option that creates a new table, depending on what you see. After selecting the destination, click Next. Airtable may show you a quick mapping or preview step. When you're happy with the setup, click Import. Once the import finishes, you'll see your copied data inside the new base, effectively giving you a copy of the original table in another base.